Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick little haul from Lowe's, picked up some Ratchet straps, wanted to show them a little more and why I picked them up. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. So today, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. So I picked these two sets of Ratchet straps up from Lowe's yesterday. This one right here is 14-foot heavy-duty tactical Ratchet tie-down strap, 1,000 foot-pounds safe workload, and 3,000 pounds brake strength. And then this is a 4-pack of the smaller guys. They're a little bit smaller than these guys. These are 14 feet as well, but these are standard duty tactical Ratchet tie downs. They're 500 pound safe working load and 1,500 pound brake strength. The handles are definitely a little bit bigger on the orange pack. These are SmartStraps, and they're tactical is the name of them. They're actually really nice. I picked these guys up because when I got into my truck accident in Sky, you know, the silver Millennium Silver SR5. I actually had these in the vehicle that was holding down gas cans that I had just filled. And I'll bring you guys over here. I'm actually got a lot going on. Here's a couple of the pieces for the roof rack that I am letting dry. Here's the other pieces that I had already done. So these are the main rails to the roof rack. And then the knobs and everything. These rubber pieces slide onto the back of these. This is what physically touches the paint of the truck to keep the rails from scratching the truck. And then here's a bunch of mounts that I have just hanging that have been sitting here drying for a couple weeks. I am also charging that battery right there, and I'm charging this battery right here. But like I was saying, those Ratchet straps, we're actually holding all of these gas tanks. So there's 2 6-gallon gas cans, there's a 2.5 gallon and a 5 gallon. These were all in the back of the 2000 SR5 4Runner. When I got in the wreck, I had just filled them with gas, and I had just strapped them into the back. I was transporting them back to the house. And the fire department and everybody thought the vehicle was going to explode, when in reality nothing happened. But these are the straps that I had that were holding those gas tanks down, and I can't find these straps anymore. The fire department actually cut the straps. All they had to do was literally just boop, and the straps would have came loose. And I tried to get back in the truck, and I tried to help, and they refused. I didn't want my stuff damaged, but they didn't care. The police department, everybody wanted it off the road. Nobody cared. You know, and it's really the sad point. I was the one that was forced off the road. I was the one that flipped the truck. I was in the truck, laying on its side for a good 40 minutes, searching for my phone. And because I was trying to find my phone. I don't know what happened to it. It was sitting on the seat, and it just disappeared when the truck flipped. And I was trying to find my phone to call 911. And I didn't find it until after the fact. A Samaritan called 911. But what's irritating is that they cut the straps, and I ended up pulling the straps out. That's the one thing I was irritated about. But I can't find these. If anybody knows where I can find these, please let me know. But these take a 3/8 square anvil ratchet. And I'm pretty sure that these were labeled SmartStraps. If I remember correctly, these were labeled as SmartStraps also, but I bought these at Walmart like 10 years ago. But the way this works is you can literally put a ratchet on them and tighten the straps down this way. That's what I like about these. The problem is it takes standard, I think 1-inch strap, but you know, sorry if I'm getting off topic, but I had a 2-pack. I was looking for, they had these as a 4-pack originally. I'm pretty sure I had 4 of them. I can't find the other 2, but these are the 2 that I had the gas tanks held down. They always worked, and every time I needed to transport gasoline, they always worked, no problem. They still work. It's just I would need to find a strap that I can physically make myself, because these are short. These were only like, I think they were like 6 or 8 or 10 feet max. But that's why I picked these guys up right here. I'm going to end up splitting this between 2 rigs. I'm probably going to pick another one up to split it between another 2 rigs for both. So I just need to pick up 2 more. I'll have 2 of these units in each truck. 2 of these in each truck. So this will do 2 trucks, because I usually only need them in 2 in a vehicle. And I like having extra straps. These are going to replace these for now if I need to transport gasoline, but they will do great in other scenarios as well. That's the nice thing about straps, and these are really, really nice straps. Everything about them is steel. The handles are steel. The brackets are steel, and these also have Z-Rust anti-seize ratchets, which is this rubberized bushing on the outside. These are also speed gearing as well. These have 16 teeth gearing for precise load adjustment. So if I go all the way up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 while it's just in the package. Where a standard, like this guy right here, it would be like 4 or 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, but standard straps, ratchet straps, these teeth, the gearing, usually only have like 4 or 5. So they're just not very precise. They're very wide apart, kind of like these are. These are pretty far apart at an angle. So these are pretty nice. Little screws holding the cardboard on. We're going to take these out of the package and we're going to look at them real quick. Some screws I'll keep for something. And these you could just quickly remove with just removing the twist ties. If you can get them untwisted. Wow, really? I'll bring you guys back as soon as I have these undone. Just so it's not too long for you guys. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Alright, so I did get them all removed, except for the other side of the straps. So here's all the 500-pound working load straps right here, and then here is the 1,000-pound working load strap. It's not a lot different. The 500-pound does have it stamped right there, 500 pounds. Right there. 1,000-pound has it stamped 1,000 pounds, and this is kind of tapers to a sharp kind of 45 and then straightens. On these, it's kind of more like a 60-degree taper, 70-degree taper. This wall is a lot thicker on the 1,000-pound compared to the 800-pound or the 500-pound. But I did get them all basically removed. So these are just the sides that are permanently connected. So that's the downside to these any style strap, is one side is permanently affixed. And you can always sew them, cut the stitching, fold them over, sew them again. I can probably do that to these if I can find some other ones. I do have the same size as that, but they're red and they're husky straps. And these are just these style, with the push button. They're not for heavy duty use, but I could always do that. I could always remove the side that's permanent, which is this little side right here. I can always take the stitching off, feed it into this guy right here, and then just re-stitch it. It's always a possibility. And then just spool the empty side in, which would be this long side right here. But, that's another option. I can always do that. I can always try to fix them to get them working again. But I picked these up. Like I said, the only thing I didn't take out was the other side of the straps, which is in a compartment. That's why this spot is actually screwed in. It's the 2 screws you remove. And then you have your straps right here. So there's 1. And they're deep enough to hold 2 sets. There's 2. And it looks like these have little Velcros that you can wrap the straps in, which is pretty nice. That is definitely nice if you want to bind them. Comes with a little already attached on each one. Just rotate it and strap them together. So that's a nice little added bonus. And these are some pretty hefty hooks. These are a lot heftier than the hooks that were on the ones that got cut off. That's the difference. They're definitely a lot bigger. Same with that one. I didn't remove the strap. But these are pretty easy. So you just unwind the strap. Kind of just unwind it, put it on the floor. That's what I'm doing at the moment. And then you just grab one of these guys and you thread it through. Gotta get it past this Velcro. Thread it through. and then you usually wrap it once and thread it back through. So, like that. That. And then you usually, to bind it, you thread it back through one end. If you can get it in. See, I'll get it eventually. There you go. But I'm not going to show you how to thread all of them. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. The video has already been long enough. I'm going to remove the rest of the straps from the housing. Put all the rest of the straps and attach them to where they're supposed to be. These are also in here as well. But, you know, they're pretty nice straps. So the orange set, the larger ones that are 1,000 foot-pounds, 3,000 breakaway. This was, for this 4-pack was $50. And the 500-pound or the 1,500 breakaway, the green box at Lowe's, this one was $39. So, it's a nice set of ratchet straps. I'm definitely going to go back and spend another $98 is what it came out to, or $94 is what it came out to, I believe. I'm going to buy 2 more, one of each, split it between 4 different trucks. Each truck will have, you know, at least 2. And if need be, I can always buy, you know, 4 more and put 4 in each truck if I wanted to. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. It's been kind of a long video. I do have the strap on the floor, and these straps are like a glossy green. They're like a really dark, like army green, but they have on the camera they look black, but they're not black. I'm not sure why they. No, actually, I do know why they look black on the camera. But they are this kind of shimmery, kind of darkish green. They look like army green to me. In certain light, they do kind of look black. In certain light, they do look green. They're going to be green for you guys, but that's all I got for you guys today. I don't want to keep you, you know, on a video just because I'm assembling them. You know, they're ratchet straps. They are really nice ratchet straps. I do have to give it for the price. They are actually beautifully made ratchet straps. I do like the rubberizing right here that's surrounding it, the gear mechanism. Anti-seize is what they call it, anti-seize ratchet gears. But they're all in all, they're nice. I do appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!